You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italian. If you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is a generic word to mean hot chili peppers, red hot or yellow hot or green hot. Peperoncini. Note that in Italian you normally have two P's after the first P and then an E and then double P. Peperoncini. So that's a variant spelling. Peperoncini is the Italian pronunciation here. In English, therefore, peperoncini. How to pronounce peperoncini? Italian pronunciation, peperoncini. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.